Managing expenses as a teacher in the UAE can be achieved through effective budgeting and financial planning. Here are some tips to help you manage your expenses. Create a budget. Start by assessing your income and listing all your monthly expenses, including rent, utilities, transportation, groceries, and other essential costs. Allocate a specific amount for each expense category and stick to it. Track your spending. Keep a record of your expenses to ensure you stay within your budget. You can use mobile apps or spreadsheets to monitor your spending habits. Regularly review your spending patterns and identify areas where you can cut back. Prioritize saving. Set aside a portion of your income for savings each month. Aim to save at least 20% of your salary, or whatever amount is feasible for you. Building an emergency fund will provide financial security in case of unexpected expenses or job loss. Explore cost-effective housing options. Housing is usually the largest expense in the UAE. Consider shared accommodation or living in areas with lower rent to reduce costs. Negotiate your rental agreement and explore options like rent-free periods or discounts. Use public transportation. The UAE has an extensive public transportation network, including buses and metros. Utilize these options instead of relying solely on taxis or private transportation, which can be costly. Cook at home. Eating out frequently can strain your budget. Plan your meals and cook at home whenever possible. This will not only save money but also allow you to maintain a healthier lifestyle. Take advantage of discounts and offers. UAE offers various discounts and promotions on shopping, entertainment, and dining. Research and take advantage of these offers to save money. Use loyalty programs or coupon apps to avail additional discounts. Compare prices. Before making any significant purchase, compare prices across different stores or online platforms. Look for deals, discounts, and consider buying second-hand items when feasible. Limit unnecessary expenses. Be mindful of your discretionary spending. Identify and reduce expenses on non-essential items such as luxury goods, entertainment subscriptions, and impulse purchases. Plan for education-related expenses. As a teacher, you may have expenses related to classroom materials, professional development courses, or educational resources. Include these costs in your budget and look for ways to access free or discounted resources. Stay informed about UAE laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with UAE's taxation system, residency rules, and local regulations. Understanding these factors can help you optimize your finances and make informed decisions. Remember, it's important to regularly review and adjust your budget as your circumstances change. By practicing smart financial habits and being mindful of your spending, you can effectively manage your expenses as a teacher in the UAE.